5 mistakes salespeople don't even know they're making. Have you ever walked out of a sales call thinking, I did everything right, but then why didn't I close the deal? The truth is, most salespeople are making mistakes they don't even know they're making. Silent mistakes that cost them opportunities, trust, and revenue. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 5 biggest hidden mistakes in sales and, more importantly, how you can fix them instantly. By the way, I've also written a blog on this exact topic. If you want to go deeper, the link is in the description. Make sure you check it out after this video. Mistake number 1. Selling the product, not the solution. Many salespeople spend all their energy explaining the features, dashboards, reports, analytics, pricing, etc. But the customer is not looking to buy the features. They are buying a solution for their pain. So how do we fix this? Stop pitching your product. Start with their problem. Use this line in your next call. What is the biggest challenge you're facing in customer retention right now? When they share their pain, you don't need to push. You just need to show how you can solve it. Mistake number 2, talking more than listening. The average salesperson dominates the conversation, but the top 1%, they talk only 10 to 20% of the entire conversation and actively listen the rest of the 80% of the time. How can you fix it? Apply the 90-10 rule in the first 10 minutes of your call. You only talk 10% and listen 90%. Try making this a habit. This builds trust instantly and makes the customer feel heard and valued. Remember this line: the one who asks the questions controls the conversations. Mistake number 3, jumping into handling objections too fast. When a customer says it's too expensive, most salespeople panic and start defending the price. That's the worst thing that you can do. Respond with curiosity, not panic. Try this out. Say it is too expensive, this is how you might want to respond. That's fair. May I know what are you comparing it with? This shifts the energy. Instead of arguing, you're exploring, and prospects respect that. Mistake number 4, chasing the prospects instead of attracting them. If you're constantly sending just following up emails, you are lowering your position. Prospects can sense desperation in that. So how can you fix it? Change your language. Instead of "Are you interested?" you might want to say, "Would it make sense to explore how this can solve your problem?" This creates partnership, not pressure. And finally, mistake number 5, ignoring the energy that you bring. Sales is not just words, it's energy. If you sound desperate, doubtful, or robotic, your prospect can clearly feel it and they immediately shut down. So how can you fix this? Before every call, take 30 seconds. Ask yourself, how can I genuinely serve this person today? That one shift changes your tone, your confidence, and your entire presence. A quick recap. So here are the 5 invisible mistakes most people don't realize. Selling products, not the problems. Talking more than listening. Handling objections too early. Chasing instead of attracting, and finally ignoring your own energy. Please don't make these mistakes. If you can fix even one of these, you will see a huge jump in your conversion rate instantly. Now that you know the mistakes, your next step is to apply the fixes. And if you want to go deeper, check out my blog on the same topic. The link is in the description for you. Also, drop in a comment below and tell me which mistake you're going to fix first. Do not forget to subscribe and share this with a friend in sales who needs it today. Follow the channel for more such interesting topics on sales, mindset, and life. See you in the next video.